When initially signing up for Tidy, you selected a base currency. This is the currency that you transact and do business in. However, if you trade internationally, it is useful to set up additional currencies. To add a new currency, go to the Global Settings tab and click on Currencies. From here, select New Currency. Hit Select to reveal a drop-down list of currencies you can choose from. Let's add the British pound, so select GBP. Now you'll need to look up the NZD to GBP exchange rate and enter it here. Then click Save and you're done. This exchange rate will need to be manually updated when you invoice sales and receive purchase orders for international customers and suppliers. You can update the exchange rate by clicking New Rate next to the targeted currency. Then add the latest exchange rate and save.